Bumbo pa. Parang di. Nagpapayiti sa taga, pre. Nagtitipi yung nagagay.
Oh, ginayimbutan. Down one.
Buta nila ako, pre, oh.
Balagbag eh, no?
I said I just bought the sizzle bean. Mama, why I leave my memory? Probably the same place I left my ID. Hey, Y3s gave a young nigga wings. I sneeze, gave a young nigga sneeze. 5Gs fall like leaves in the spring. I'ma run it like cleats. We be clubbing. 1800s bubbling in a nigga's stomach. 3 girls, so that mean I'm here juggling. She might have a man, I might have a girl, but neither one of them at the club. So who give a fuck? Arrived on the scene with some booty shaking hoes and they not the twerk team. All these hoes got their hands on their knees. I said all these hoes got their hands on their knees.
Hirap naman. Okay ako. Ayun ang dito. Alis ka na dyan. Sunduin mo na lang kami likod ng HP.
Grabe.
Kita mo na, Gag.
I beat the pussy up, left the girl on crutches.
Ulo ko.
I'm going clubbing. You know that I'm out there gonna slice up the Duchess. I'm going clubbing. Tell her when she ready, just hit me on my phone.
Ako, pag naubos
Ay,
mo.
puta. Pag naubos mo yan,
If
pre.
you got some fruit friends, bitch, don't come along. Let me make it sing. Oh, if you bad, I might just put you in a ring. Oh, if you bad, I might just buy you that machine. Oh, if you bad, I might just dress you so clean. Hey, you wear your hair. Make a nigga wanna buy you this. Take you down to Paris and ice out your wrist. Do you like a nigga D when he wants a six? I make it look.
Dami dun sa, ano, likod ng aming sarili.
Meron na sa taas? Meron ba sa taas?
May kasama ka sa taas, may kasama ka sa taas. Ibigan. Hindi, joke lang.
Balot ako, pre.
Kala ko yung pinakataas. Sheesh.
Wait lang,
Dami
pre,
dun,
sabay
Yuji.
tayo, nagbabanday lang ako.
Ala ko, ligtas tayo doon kapag pinush natin. Meron pa pala sa gilid.
Ikaw ba yung kasama ko?
Oo.
Push yun na.
Dalo pa to.
Likod na ako.
Sila isa.
I will make you a sunset view. I will make you say you're gonna want to.